How to log into another Facebook account. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing the ways to log into another Facebook account. For that, make sure that you already have a secondary Facebook account. Only then you'll be able to log into another Facebook account. So first of all, let me show you how you can actually log out. So for that, log in into your Facebook account or open up your application. After that, tap the travel icon and scroll down right to the bottom, click the logout button and go ahead and tap the logout button once again. So once you've done that, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. In my case, I already have a multiple account, so if you've not added any of the account, all you have to do is tap the login into another account. After that, you'll need to provide in the phone number or the email address and then the password associated with the respective account. Once you're done, tap the login button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully logged in with the secondary account. So in this way, you can log in into your secondary account. Once you've done adding the particular account, make sure to save the login info, because whenever you try to log in into your secondary account, you do not need to log from your primary account. So for that, tap the arrow icon, and from here you need to go ahead and tap the login into another account. And once you do that, tap the particular account that you wish to log in, and that's basically how it's gonna work. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.